The Clinician's Guide to CBT Using Mind Over Mood is really two books in one. On the one hand, it is a detailed, explicit guide on how to step-by-step use each of the 60 worksheets in Mind Over Mood to align your practice with what the evidence base tells us is effective practice. It's also a book that's really well geared toward helping therapists understand my vision of effective psychotherapy using client-centered, strengths-based, and collaborative approaches. I have more than 100 pages of therapist-client dialogue that illustrate how to implement all the methods described, but also explains common roadblocks and illustrates how clients and therapists can work together to navigate these. I've incorporated most of my best ideas from 40 years of teaching psychotherapy to therapists around the world, and I'm really proud of this book. I hope you find it helpful.